Sure, it is my great honor to introduce the historical origin and the inspiration of our work, dance as playing Pipa reversely.
I've heard that it's very difficult to play the pipa behind the back,
yes.
and you were dancing at the same time. Yes. It must be challenging and fun. And you've brought it here today.
Yes.
It looks different, a bit different. Or
yes.
is it me?
Yes, you are right. My pipa is smaller, thinner, and lighter than typical pipa. In order to get closer to the style of pipa during the Tang Dynasty, I decorated it with reference to the antique pipa collected in the Shousing Temple, a Japanese museum.
That's beautiful. And as you are showing us the back of it, here there are three wooden stakes. It looks like a face of a rabbit.
Yes, this pipa has a secret. I put 3 small wooden stakes on the other side to facilitate the performance and dance. Now I can support the instrument while my collarbone pit, while playing with both my other hand.
Now, that still sounds like science fiction to me. Could you show us how it's done?
Of course, I can show a classic 十面埋伏.
All right, take it away. Bravo, bravo!